Hello, dear friends. I hope you are all well. Today, I'm going to show you another feature from PowerSpin plugin. Sometimes in your projects, you need to place a Revit family instead of AutoCAD blocks in your project. For example, in our sample project, we have lightings, we have sprinklers, we have detectors in my ceilings, and I need to place the appropriate family for each of them in my project. Okay, as you know, this is a very time consuming and painful. If you want to place Revit family for each of the blocks in exact position and in the each ceiling face. So what's the solution? My solution is to use Parswing plugin and let's do it. To do this in Parswing plugin, you should go to family placement. Before doing this, I need to insert the link file, our CAD file, for example, this one, and I select it. Let's do it in the ceiling view. Okay, like this. I want to place families exact in the same position. Okay, to do this, go to the Parspin plugin in Common Tools panel, select Family Placement, and as you can see, we can place families in three ways. The first of all is work plane based, which is used to place families that are work plane based. For example, furnitures, mechanical equipment, and something like this. And the second and third one is related to the families which are face based. For example, for lightings, for detectors, and something like this. For example, the sprinklers. And to place the ceiling-based families, we have two ways. Imagine if you are working on a MEP project, you are linked the architectural Revit file, uh, and or you are working directly on an architectural file, and your file is the base file and host. So here I'm working on an MEP file, so I need to select the second one, which is from RVT link. And the architectural file is linked to my project. In this window, first of all, I need to export the exact block centers coordination. To do this, I already placed a list here, so you need to export it. Export wherever you want in your computer. For example, I save it on my desktop. Its name is Export Block Centers, and I save it here. And now I need to go to my AutoCAD and type upload in Command Center and select the list file to load it. Again, in Command Center, I type export block centers to save block centers of this project. And again, I save it on my desktop with name block centers. Okay, let's back to Revit and import CSV file and select the block centers from my desktop. And as you can see, each individual block has its unique coordination in millimeters. So I changed the unit to millimeter, and you can have the coordination by geometry center or by insertion point. I selected by insertion point. And in the next page, I select the link file that I already linked in my project. And in this page, I select the block centers that I want to replace it with appropriate Revit family. For example, these five block centers, block or AutoCAD blocks, and here I can assign a Revit family for each of them. For example, for the first one, I select the lighting fixtures category, and for the rest, until the last, I select the same. And for the last one, which is a sprinkler, I select the sprinklers category. And for Revit family, I select sprinkler conceal standard. And for cylinder type 1, I select this one. And for the second one, I select this one. And okay. Now I need to select the Revit file that is linked. This one is linked and I select it and I select the ceiling face. As you can see, it says that zero instance are as placed. Okay, no worry. 13 instance are placed, and as you can see, all the lights are placed automatically. As you can see, all of them are placing automatically. Okay, for the rest of the project, I can select all elements by simple clicks.